Hi and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about why batch flower remedies is truly amazing. So this system was created and it was made into practice by Dr. Edward Bach. So he was actually an allopathic doctor initially, and during his practice of around like 20 years, he wanted to improvise. He wanted to find new things. At the same time, there was a medicine called homeopathic medicine, very popular in Germany. It's still popular in all the areas, all countries. But during that time, he wanted to learn homeopathic remedies. So as you know that the homeopathic remedies are more than like 250 remedies, 300. Right now it's around more than 1000. Each day there is a remedy made. So he wanted to simplify the process. He was able to find after learning homeopathy that mind is the problem for the disease. If you can cure the mind, the problem is easily cured. The ailments are easily cured. So he says that you need only like 38 remedies and it can cure almost all diseases. So the disease is in the mind. If you can change the mind to be positive, change the mind to be more happy, you'll become happy, you'll be cured from the disease. So to understand this, you have to know about the physical body and energy body. We have two bodies. One is called physical body, and it includes the skin, hair, and then you have blood, you have bones, tissues, muscles, nerves. So if you can read in the anatomy of human body, you get all those things. It's called the physical body, something you can touch. But there is an alternate body which is more important, which is called the energy body. So you have a field around you, you have an energy around you. When you are dull, sad, depressed, your energy is or very low, you can use the aura field to find it. So your energy will be dark. And when you're happy, when you're pleasant, when you are having more happy memories in your heart, you'll become more happy. Your aura is indigo or something like white. Mostly white is the right answer. So what happens is that he created 38 remedies from the flowers, and each flower is having a energy. Using the energy of the flower, he was able to alter the energy state of a human being, which is very fascinating, which is very impressive because he has done this around more than 50 to 60 years before. So those days there were no computers, there were no technology, and he was able to test, retry, test again and again, and then he came up with this system. So there are lots of people having so many problems, and when a patient comes to you, he may not tell you the reason why he came. A doctor has to analyze based on the energy. So if somebody comes to you and you prescribed a bachelor remedy on the basis of fear, but the actual emotion could be uncertainty. So how will you find out? You might be thinking that's just fear, but in his mind it's not a fear, it's an uncertainty. So you have to use astrology in your practice. So ancient people have done this. People in India have done this for many years. You have to use astrology as a tool, and you have to have good ear to your patient. So you have to have good listening skill to your to listen to your problems of the patient. So I have created a course that will explain you about the batch flower remedies and then how to prescribe remedies. And I have also included a chapter simplest way on how to remember these 38 remedies. So my course is very interesting and I'm improvising my course. I have included the case studies also. So these are real case studies and they have worked like wonder. So most people will ask me that what about the lifespan? If I take this system of medicine, can I increase the lifespan? So we have to make a lot of research about lifespan because it depends on the food you eat, the exercises that you do. It depends on your mindset. It depends on the people around you. It depends on the land where you live, and it depends on your genes also. Gene is also a factor. And finally, it depends on the diet you take, the food you take. So you cannot come to a conclusion about lifespan with batch flower remedies. So this can help you, and almost every medical medicine system is helpful to human mankind. So these can solve your problems and you will feel more positive. So what happens to us is we need to get more positive energy. It's called cosmic energy. So every one of us is getting cosmic energy day in and day out. When you're feeling so negative, when you're feeling so depressed, the energy you get, the cosmic energy which you get is very less. So to improve it, you have to do sun gazing technique. Sun gazing, it's called Surya Namaskar. You can find more videos about it. You can do that, or you can do meditation. It will improve your mindset, positive energy. The third best idea is using patch flower remedies. So I have discussed a lot of things in my course. Make sure to check the description. You can find the link in the description for my course. So next week I'll talk about more about batch flower remedies, and I'm going to start with bio remedies. 12 remedies. There is someone called Schussler. He is William Schussler, his name, and he has simplified the 38 remedies to just 12 remedies. So we will go and read them. We'll find out how effective is the 12 remedies, and it's going to be a learning journey for me, and also it's for you as well. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.